Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can apply a gradient effect to elements and components in your Figma design. So let us guide you through it. Let me head over to that example design here, and for the sake of this tutorial let me apply a gradient effect to that rectangle we see here in that example canvas. So select your element with your left mouse, and after that you will see that customization panel opening up here to the right. So what you want to do next, guys, is head over to the fill section here and click into that plus icon to the right, add fill. That is going to open up that customization window here to the left. So what you want to do next, guys, is apply a gradient effect. To do that, switch from the solid effect here to gradient next to it. That is going to give you access to that customization below, where, for example, can apply various stops and also assign colors to these, and that way create a gradient for your element, in this case here, this shape. So what you want to do in the first step, guys, is select your gradient type by clicking into that drop down menu here and switch from linear to radial or to diamond. Let me go with a radial for the sake of this tutorial, just like that. So radial basically means that you have one color in the middle of the element, and the more it goes to the edges or to the outside of the given element, the color may change in a gradient way. So let me remove the first stop here by clicking into that minus button here, delete gradient stop, and also add a second stop by clicking onto the plus button here. That is going to give us the opportunity to start all over with a completely new color here to the left, which then gradually turns into the second color. Of course, you can add as many stops to your gradient as you like by clicking into that plus button here and move their position here on that slider. So let me add also stop number 3 and number 4. So guys, next step would be to simply assign colors. Let us start with stop number 1. Left click into it. That is going to give you access to that color panel here. So simply assign your first color. So let us start with red here. So select red. You may also adjust the opacity here below if you like. Let us go with 0 opacity and keep a transparency of 100%. In the next step, click into your second stop and assign a second color. So let us go with orange for the sake of this tutorial. Continue with the next step, click into it with your left mouse, and let us go this time with something yellowish. And last but not least, click into the last stop, and at this time we will go with green. There you go. So it goes from red to green. And that's basically it. And that's how you add a gradient to your elements and shapes on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.